Another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas cupcakes. First you're going to need some cake mix, chocolate cake mix. It's around 350 grams, 50 grams of chocolate chips, 125 grams of soft butter, and 3 eggs. Well, get this dog out of here. Okay. Yeah, that's how a dog looks like when she gets some sausage. Right, now you need to get a bowl and get your cake mix and put it in the bowl. It's a lot of cake mix. Alright, now get your chocolate chips and pour them into the cake mix. And get like something to mix it with. I'm just gonna get something right now. Now that I've got something to mix it with, just mix it in. That's all you're gonna have to do. Done. Whole eggs and 50 milliliters of water. Yes, and now I'm gonna mix it in. Now I'm gonna mix it in with the thing.
Widać cię.
Now, when you mix it in, and it has to look like this, you can add the butter, or you can use this to mix the batter. Now, I'm gonna add the butter, and it should be room temperature. Should be soft, like this. I'm just gonna break it up to little chunks. All right. Now I'm gonna mix it in. Like this. And you have to mix the batter until it's smooth. Well, mine's not smooth at all. I'm gonna use the electric mixer in a sec. So let's mix it with the butter. Now you can also do it like in a KitchenAid, but I'm just using the electric mixer because most of you probably have one. But you can do this like using your hand, but it's easier with the electric mixer. Well, it seems smooth, so I'm just gonna get it on 0. It's really thick. Now, what you're gonna need is like some paper bun cases, like for muffins or cupcakes, whatever. And you're gonna put them in your tin, cupcake tin. And that's where you can also do it like in a just normal cake tray, It's like 25 centimeters with times 10. And I'm just doing cupcakes because it's easier and better. Now, get your batter and put the batter inside the cupcake tins. Now, you should get your batter inside these cupcake tins or whatever. It's like half the size of the cupcake tin. And the batter how much I told you should be like pretty much maybe two of these trays times 2. So like 4 trays that I have that are 6, and they're pretty big. They're not like the small cupcake tins. They're pretty big. And also this recipe is pretty cool because it has some chocolate chips inside. It's not like it's gonna have bursts of chocolate inside, so that's gonna be fun. So we have this much batter left, and I only put like 3 of them.
Już.
Look, we've covered like 16 of them, and no, not 16, I mean 12, and we still have some batter left, so it might be like for around 2.5 trays. And now you should preheat the oven for 170 degrees Celsius and get it on that so it like heats up from both sides, from the bottom and the top. Now I'm just gonna get this aluminium foil out of here. Okay. Now just wait until it preheats. Now get your oven open and put your trays inside. And close it. I'll set a timer of like 15, let's say 15 minutes, and I'm gonna come check, and I'm probably gonna put another 15 minutes and then again check, and if it's not enough I'll put another 15 minutes. I'll come back to you when it's the first check. Now you need to melt down some chocolate on a double boiler.
Nie załatwię jakby.
Były i nie załatwił?
No ale najpierw do pałacu może oni mają zapłacie, jakby wszystko po prostu zbuntuje.
So now it's melting down. You need to boil some water and put it in like a container and keep it on heat so it boils. So these cupcakes are gluten free, and the cake mix is by Dr. Edgar. A cream using this technique on top. Chocolate is melting, and now let's look at. Now let's look. Oh, inside.
Tutaj nie smak nie lubię.
Alright, let's look inside. It's not done yet, I think. It's a little bit wet inside. Let's try this one. This one is good.
1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute left. Excited about the cupcakes too. Marco! Look, she's so happy. She's so happy. She's so happy. Oh, yes. Look, she's so interested. Yeah. Love you, Marco. Let's get the cupcakes out of the oven. Be careful, the oven is really hot. You should do this all with adult supervision. Let's put it right over here. So let's get the second batch. Hi. Alright. Done. Now come over here. Close it. Done. I'm gonna take it off the heat. And let me show you the glaze or whatever. It's looking good. It's smooth. Check it. We have to get out the cupcakes out of the forms onto the plate, and I'm gonna make them beautiful after I get them out. You can use a fork to get them out quickly. Oh, there were 3 forms in that one. That's weird. And we also have 3 left. And they're bigger, so it was for 16 of cupcakes. Done. Now we're gonna cream the cupcakes. So let's get some cream and let's put it over the cupcake.
Żeśmy teraz zamówiliśmy sobie odkurzacz, oczyszczacz do powietrza i odkurzacz.
Done. First one done. Let's get this one. I hope you can see it well. Hope you can see it well. Because my camera woman doesn't understand English properly, so I cannot talk to her in English. I'm just gonna get them all creamed off camera. Now my cousin is gonna decorate the cupcakes. Wow. Now do the stars. Now she's gonna do stars because it's gonna be for Christmas, right? Great. Yes. Perfect. Now do the small balls. Yes. Yes. Good. Keep in mind she's small. She's not like my age. Now let me do something. I'm gonna put more of them. Perfect. It's looking good. Do the big. Do this one. Yeah. Here. More. Perfect. Now do some more big balls. Big balls. Yes, perfect. Nice. Here. Big balls here. Big balls here. Thank you. Now, we have 3 more left, but we're not gonna do some. Now, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!